Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss Python lists. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable like an array. Lists are one of four built-in data types in Python, used to store collection of data. In Python there are four built-in data types which is used to store collection of data. That means they can store collection of data. They are lists, tuple, set and dictionary. These four stores data in collection form, but these are built-in data types. Okay, later we will see tuple, set and dictionary. Now we will discuss list. Lists are created using square brackets. Let's open Python ideally. Choose new file. First, create Python file name. Save as list.py. Py is the Python extension. It's already exists. We need to equal to, we have to write list in a square brackets in double quotes mango. Is the list. Now we need to print that list. Print name is the variable or variable list. That means it contains collection of data. Here list name equal to mango, apple, banana. These three are the data stored in list name. So these three are collection of data are stored in list name. We need to print that list name. We need to printing the list presented in the list name variable. Okay. Now mango, apple, banana is printed. Okay. Next, in the list elements. List items are indexed. That means this is a list apple, banana and cherry here. This is 0th index, this is first index and this is second. Like that list items are indexed and you can access them by referring to the index number. By referring to the index number we can access the list items. Let's see this. This is already code. Here we need to access banana. For that we are giving index number as 2. That means 0, 1, 2 like that. Now run this. Banana is printed. Okay. So for particular accessing item from a list we need to give index number. Now range of indexes. That means we can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end the range. That means by the example we can understand. The range. That means we need to print from 1 to 2 range. Let's print this. 1 to 2 means only apple is the present. From 1 to 2 range only apple is present. Let's print from 1 to 3. Apple. That means in between 1 and 3. 3 is not present here. So but before 3, that means up to 1 or 3 elements are printed. If we give 0 to 3, now all elements should be printed. And this mango, apple and banana from 0, 1 or 3. Before third index, all elements are printed here. Okay. Remove specified item. Remove specified item. It can be done with the help of remove method. Remove method removes the here list name dot remove of, let's remove apple. Now save and run. After removing apple, we have only mango and banana. Let's say mango and banana is printed and apple is removed here. Okay. Let's see, remove specific index. Here we have removed only item. By using index, how to remove? Let's see. By using pop method, we can remove the specified index element. Let's see with the help of an example. List name dot pop list name dot pop of mango is removed, only apple and banana is printed. Mango is removed, only apple and banana are printed. Pop of 0 means we are removing index at that position. Next, change item value. How to change? That means how to change item value. To change the value of item, refer to the index number. Let's say this. This list that name of, we need banana. What cherry? We are going to change banana to cherry. Let's run this. So banana is changed to cherry. Let's see next. Append items. Appending means, we know, appending means adding an element. To add an element to the end of the list, use the append method. Okay. By using append method, we can add element at the end of the list. Let's see this with the help of an example. List name dot append. Now run this. Mango, apple, banana and cherry. For the list, we have added cherry at the end of the list. So appending means adding are the list operations. Thank you.